The education issue that I chose to discuss is cafeteria food being served to children. The U.S. Department of Agriculture serves more than 30 million children food every single day. The schools are not focused on serving children healthy food, but are focused on what they can receive for cheap. The foods that the school are serving to children include chicken nuggets, pizzas, hot dogs, sodas, and chips. All of these foods being served have high cholesterol, trans fat, saturated fat, and other unhealthy chemicals. Because these children are being served these foods, it is causing them to be obese. Children with obesity are more likely to receive diabetes and other life-threatening diseases. The food that they're eating at the schools are not giving them the correct nutrition and energy for their brains to focus on schoolwork. Instead, it's making them tired and lazy and will cause them to do poorly in school. Some solution for this problem is to educate children on the dangers of unhealthy food. Early education will help them make smarter decisions when it comes to lunch times. Also, make smaller changes in schools, such as removing soda and candy bars in vending machines and replacing them with low-fat milk and apple slices. Small changes and healthier options for children will help them receive the proper nutrition they can live to live a healthy and educational life.